How to make money as a producer part 6, live performances. Check this out. Now, live performances are a great way to promote that producer, build their brand, give exposure to their beat tapes, and make money on the side. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use our controllers to play our sets or our beat tape sets or whatever, and then we're going to work with local DJs at smaller bars and smaller clubs to possibly open for them, right? Because if you don't have a showcase spot, then you need a place where you can perform. Now, outside of that, you can work with promoters to actually get an intermission spot or an opening spot at these small bars, clubs, or small performance venues so that you can showcase more of your skills there. This creates more exposure for yourself, your brand, and your beat tapes on a local scene. Not doing this isn't the end of the world, but definitely helps your brand for sure. You get more money because number one, you're doing shows and people want to eventually pay you to come in and be a talent, but you can direct people to follow you and therefore they can listen to your music online. You get more power because you're building a notoriety and brand, and you get more respect because you actually set out to do something that many producers don't even do. Remember, we got to use our controllers as our equipment of choice, work with local DJs to get opening spots for them, or local promoters to get intermission spots or opening spots at local venues. All this stuff is going to be small bars and local venues. Anyway, if you make music, you should make money. Follow for more music business tips.